2022 Forest River Wildcat 333 RLBS. Just look at this storage. Place for your fridge. Nice sturdy steps. Let's go inside. Rear living. Table and chair dinette. Heating massaging chair. Fireplace. With cup holders. Nice island. Lots of plugs. Look at those lights. Pantry. Plenty of storage. Nice stove cover. Another pantry. Large fridge. Double door. Look at this bedroom. So much storage. All the backlighting. King size bed. Nice sliding door. Check out this bathroom. Large shower. Hooks. Little linen closet. Nice deep sink. Big mirror. All your controls. Come see us in Stewiacke.